Sentence patterns. Please don't take photographs here. ここで写真を撮らないでください。ここで means here. 写真 means photographs. を撮らないでください means please don't take. You must show your passport. パスポートを見せなければなりません。パスポート means passport. を見せなければなりません means must show. You didn't have to submit the report. 報告書を提出しなくてもいいです。報告書 means report. を提出しなくてもいいです means do not have to submit. Do not park your car there, please. そこに車を止めないでください。そこに means there. 車 means car. を止めないでください means please do not park. I am sorry. すみません。すみません means I am sorry. Doctor, may I drink alcohol? Sensei, お酒を飲んでもいいですか? Sensei means doctor. お酒 means alcohol. お飲んでもいいですか means may I drink? No, refrain from it for 2 or 3 days. いえ、2、3日控えてください。いえ means no. 2、3日 means 2 or 3 days. 控えてください means please refrain. Yes, doctor. Hi, sensei. Hi means yes, sensei means doctor. Shall we go for a drink tonight? 今夜飲みに行きませんか? 今夜 means tonight. 飲みに行きませんか means shall we go for a drink? Sorry, today I'm going out with my wife. ごめんなさい。今日は妻と出かけます。ごめんなさい means sorry. 今日は means today. 妻 means wife. と出かけます means going out with. By when do I have to submit the report? いつまでに報告書を提出しなければなりませんか? いつまでに means by when. 報告書 means report. を提出しなければなりませんか means do I have to submit? Submit it by Friday, please. 金曜日までに提出してください。金曜日 means Friday. までに means by. 提出してください means please submit. Do the children have to pay too? 子供も払わなければなりませんか? 子供 means children. も means to. 払わなければなりませんか means have to pay. No, they don't have to pay. いえ、払わなくてもいいです。いえ means no. 払わなくてもいいです means don't have to pay. Conversation. What seems to be the problem? What seems to be the problem? どうしましたか? どうしましたか means what seems to be the problem. I have had a sore throat and a slight temperature since yesterday. 昨日から喉が痛くて少し熱があります。昨日から means since yesterday. 喉が痛くて means sore throat. 少し熱があります means slight temperature. Well, please open your mouth. では、口を開けてください。では means well then. 口を開けてください means please open your mouth. You have a cold. You need a good rest. 風邪ですね。ゆくさんど休んでください。風邪ですね means you have a cold. ゆく休んでください means please rest well. doctor, I have to go to Tokyo in business from tomorrow. Sensei, 明日から東京に出張しなければなりません. Sensei means doctor. 明日から means from tomorrow. Tokyo ni means to Tokyo. 出張しなければなりません means have to go on business. Well then, take this medicine and go to bed early today. では、この薬を飲んで、今日は早く寝てください。では means well then. この薬を飲んで means take this medicine. 今日は早く寝てください means go to bed early today. Yes, doctor. Hi, sensei. Hi means yes, sensei means doctor. And do not take a bath tonight. そして、今夜はお風呂に入らないでください。そして means and. 今夜は means tonight. お風呂に入らないでください means do not take a bath. I see. わかりました。わかりました means I see. Please take care. お大事に。お大事に means please take care. Thank you very much, doctor. どうもありがとうございました、先生。どうもありがとうございました means thank you very much. Sensei means doctor. Common symptoms and phrases. どうしましたか? What seems to be the problem? 頭が痛い have a headache. お腹が痛い have a stomach ache. 歯が痛い have a toothache. 熱がある have a fever. 咳が出る have a cough. 鼻水が出る have a runny nose. 血が出る bleed. 吐き気がする feel nauseous. 寒気がする feel a chill. めまいがする feel dizzy. 下痢をする have diarrhea. 便秘をする be constipated. 怪我をする get injured. やけどをする get burnt. 食欲がない have no appetite. 肩が凝る feel stiff in one's shoulders. 体がだるい feel weary. かゆい itchy. Body parts. Cow, face, atama, head. Me, eye. Mimi, ear. Hana, nose. Kuchi, mouth. Nodo, throat. Ago, jaw. Kubi, neck. Kata, shoulder. Hiji, elbow. Mune, chest. Ude, arm. Te, hand. Yubi, finger. Tsume, nail. Sinaka, back. Kushi, waist. Onaka, stomach. Shiri, buttocks. Ashi, leg. Hiza, knee. Hone, bone. Common illnesses. Kaze, cold. Influenza, Mocho, appendicitis. Gekuri goshi, slip disc. Nenza, sprain. Kosetsu, bone fracture. Futskayoi, hangover. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Matane!